Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about content negotiation. So the principles of content negotiation are a specific document is called a resource. When a client wants to obtain a resource, the client requests it using its URL. The server uses the URL to choose one or variants it provides. Each variant being called a representation and returns a specific representation to the client. The overall resource, as well as each of the representations, have a specific URL. How a specific representation is chosen when the resource is called is determined by content negotiation. And there are several ways of negotiating between the client and the server. Okay, so you can see here we have the client requests the resource, the URL, and then we have all the different options here. So we have a BR, which is a break tag, a zip file, a text or PDF, a text HTML, and then these here, which are FR and DE. Okay. Server-driven content negotiation. So, or proactive content negotiation, the browser or any other kind of user agent sends several HTTP headers along with the URL. These headers describe the preferred choice of the user. The server uses them as hints as an internal algorithm chooses the best content to serve to the client. The algorithm is server specific and not defined in the standard. See, for example, the Apache negotiation algorithm. So let's click on that. Okay, I thought they were going to have a diagram. I'm visual people, sorry. Okay, so that is in a nutshell, the content negotiation. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.